Hey Bree, this is Scott Walker. We just spoke on the phone. I just wanted to show you how an online presence can help you steal leads from Safelite and other local competition. And if you guys like what you see, I would love to talk to your owners and set up a discovery call to see if there's something I can do to help you guys out. I go over your Google Business Profile, your website, and the Google Ads. And like I said, if you guys like what you see, let's have a further conversation. So, starting out with your website, I do love that you have a video right up top. It's a great way to have good user interaction. But one thing that I really do recommend for you is to have more content. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. You want to be found for buyer intent keywords, which have a location in the service. And throughout you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. So the other thing you could do is if you save any imagery or instead of it saying mag logo, you could have that count as content as well because it's embedded behind the photo by having a buyer intent keyword there. So I do use a tool called Ahrefs. This will give me your analytics and kind of show me where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100 and you want those continuously moving up. You're currently at 1 and 8 due to your referring pages and domains, which are backlinks. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for 36 keywords, getting roughly 14 people to your website each month. And looking at some of those keywords, like windshield replacement Longmont, there's 150 searches of them, but you're on the second page of Google. So getting up into the first spot would be a really good one. Masterclass, those are all the people that know you, so you're actually number 3 still. But yeah, those are the types of buyer intent keywords right here, which will replacement Longmont that I'm talking about. And so looking at, just a Google search right here, right up top we have a bunch of people running ads, and so to have a good click-through rate, you're going to have, there's a few things you want to do. First off, make sure to try and get as much of that keyword inside of the ad as humanly possible. This one does say windshield replacement, but there's no location, windshield, replacing windshield, windshield repair. So like, this isn't really talking about it. This may be talking about it. This one's definitely talking about it, but we just don't know if Fusion works in your area. So to have a good click-through rate, have as much there, and then you want to separate your ad groups by theme. And what that means is have your ads running for windshield replacement and windshield repair are 2 different ad groups, and then windshield replacement and auto glass replacement are 2 different ad groups as well. And to kind of show you some monthly search volumes just for windshield replacement between Longmont and Denver, you're looking at almost 3,000 searches just for this keyword. And then we have a bunch of repairs, and then we have a bunch more of the replacements again. So by being put in front of roughly 10,000 people each month, that would definitely grow your business. And these are people who are searching for your service, so that's why I really like Google Ads for auto glass companies. And then we move down into the Google Business Profile. It's okay that you're not here right now. There's lots of ways to get there. For starters, you can put your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp. And then getting reviews is another way. I have a trick that I can show you when we talk about our deep dive or discovery call, and it shows you how to get good reviews. The last thing I'd recommend is put your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp, because Google is like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more, and that's not just in your local areas, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in the ads section in the Google Business Profile, about 70% of traffic stops right there. And then the rest goes down into your organics or the website area. And it looks like Novus Glass is one of your top competitors for this keyword. As you can see on their website, they don't have too much content on here either. So when you start to have more content, better buyer intent keywords, those authoritative backlinks and citations, Google will start to trust you more. And so they'll start to outrank your competitors. And pretty much, I'm just doing Longmont. I'm not even including Denver, but there's 530 searches with Longmont included in a windshield or auto glass keyword. So when you start outranking your competitors, a percentage of your total volumes will start to go to your website instead of theirs, and then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. And if we include Denver and other bigger cities near you guys, these search volumes would be growing astronomically. So I really hope that this was beneficial for you, Bree. Like I said, if you think this is beneficial for you and your company, I'd love to talk to the owners and see if I might be able to set up a discovery call. I have my phone number in the email, and we will talk to you soon. Have a great day.